Hey friends, this is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. We're looking at the Orchard 9006 with the bigger porch today. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath featuring a living room and a den, 2,580 square feet. This home is huge, biggest double wide out there. I had to back up so far just to be able to fit it in the camera shot without zooming out and losing quality. So we're gonna walk on around here so y'all can see a little bit more of the front of the house. Now, of course, in any of the Deer Valley homes you've seen me share, you've probably seen a lot of different features about the outside that cosmetically can be done, whether it's wagon wheel treatments, different vinyl colors, different sidings, or higher pitch roof. Those are all available on this house as well. And of course, Deer Valley does do some total customization, but they also have some great floor plans as they're shown. You can see here, this house is a Wind Zone 3. That's what all those tabs there are for. Tie down your home, help protect against floods as well. See, they also have a real wood shutter by each home and a beautiful outdoor fixture there. Now I have, and a large eave as well. Of course, it's vented. One of the great things about Deer Valley is they do those 2x6 sidewalls. So just like many a home, they have the thicker walls. Super great. Dunbarton front door, steel door, and steel frame. Something great about that, it just makes it more sturdy, less likely to pinch and get stuck or anything like that. A beautiful accent feature as well. Now see here, walk in. This house is very rustic in its design. It's also a very open floor plan. Got a ton of shiplap there in the kitchen, on the living room wall, at the wood burning fireplace. We've set the TV up here, but you can easily set it on the mantle where it's actually supposed to go there. And some people don't actually want this fireplace. I love the stonework personally, but it is hot down here in Louisiana, so you don't always need a wood burning fireplace. And then there's those beautiful beams in the ceiling, like a little hashtag. They're also in the master bedroom as well. Open with no carpet in the living room or the den in this house. Let's kind of see if we can back up and just show you the living room as a full feature. It's a really nice house, good space. I might lay my furniture out a little bit different, but you have the option to change it up as well. A lot of windows in this house too, not just in the door, but living room, dining room, all the way into the kitchen here. Lets in that natural light, but also those cropped windows, more of a residential window than you see in a lot of manufactured homes. And a huge space there on the island for the high stools that you can do. Really nice feature about that is also that backsplash that goes around the raised portion there. And I kind of like how it has dual countertops, two different contrasting colors here. Now this house here, y'all can see it was priced at $260, but right now we actually have this one on sale for $248, and you can order for about $248 as well. More of that backsplash throughout the kitchen. Now, Deer Valley does solid wood cabinets through and through. They also have those soft close doors and drawers. And that's just something that gives you that kind of peace of mind. MDF cabinets are kind of designed to last about 7 years, whereas wood cabinets are about 30. It means that you can go longer without having to replace cabinets. You don't have to worry about the screws getting stripped nearly as much, because they do actually use screws instead of staples. You also have that dovetail joint there. All your drawers actually pull all the way out. Now that was a small drawer, so I shouldn't have used that as a feature, but there are some bigger drawers there. A wider one over there as well. And as you can see here, we have a nice pantry. Now wire shelves are in this house, but they do wood shelving as well. It's normally what I prefer personally, but those wire shelves are screwed into a stud, so they are very sturdy. Now, also have the farm sink that's available. You see it in almost all of our Deer Valley homes, but this one does not have it in there. And some beautiful light fixtures on that beautiful shiplap accent. Kind of a reverse tray there. Let's give you all an impact shot here. See how your kitchen is framed out. A lot of countertop space. A beautiful hood I didn't even point out. Now it is stainless steel appliances as well. It's just really good looking kitchen. I know that we would kill for all that countertop space at my house. And then you have your dining room area. It's right next to your porch. It's got the shiplap accent wall. Got the chandelier. Now the chandelier is hanging a little taller than it normally would be, but that's because it was done that way for transit. And these are 9-foot ceilings throughout the house as well. So that gives you a lot more space. Makes it feel big and opening, even though it is already big. And then you have this gorgeous porch. I like the look of the door. More of that natural light and these huge windows here. Now some people have opted to do 2 doors, one going into the dining room and one going in the den instead of right here. There's even an option to do some desk spacing right where I'm talking about, but then you get a slightly smaller porch. Now you can see that's the back of our Oasis by Deer Valley there. That it is a good sized porch, room for a table and chairs, even maybe a couple rocking chairs with a table. And those are full 4 or 6x6 beams there with the wood accent. It is solid too. I like the railings, but I have had people choose, they would rather have the stairs come off the side here, and that is definitely an option we can do. We can do the railing between those 2 beams and have your opening right there. Whichever you choose. That's one of the things that Deer Valley wants you to have a home that's yours and that you can trust in the quality of it. So they're willing to do a little bit more to make it what you want. Now, we kind of skip by these bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2 here. It's got 1 window in it. You could add a second if you like. It's a good sized room. Kind of a standard room. You could fit a queen size bed and dresser in here with that closet right there. It's not one of those little corner closets. It does have more room than it kind of looks like to hang your clothes. And then remember I said this is a 3-bath, so here is bathroom number 2. Between bedroom 2 and 3, it's got the elongated commode, of course ceramic sink, the mirror. I'm going to back up so I don't break it. Vanity lighting, vents are in the ceiling. There's your fan. And we did do the wider fiberglass tub shower combo instead of the standard little skinny one. So a little more room for the kids to soak, or a guest if it is a guest bathroom. And then coming into bedroom 2, this one always surprises me because, one, it's got 2 windows. Y'all know I love those. But this closet is huge. And I don't know if I have a light bulb in here to show it or not. I do. This closet is big enough to fit a queen size bed almost. Now, I told a kid the other day, and I'd probably put my bed in here and make the bedroom my own little living room, playroom space. That is a little full-size bed, but you could easily go up to a queen and still have plenty of space. But if you put your bed in the closet, you would have a lot more space. Now, off this, of course, right across from here is the porch. Easy access for the kids to go play out back. Then we have a large den. I've had some people say they put a pool table in here, others just a second TV, couch and stuff for the kids, playroom. Whatever you want to use it for, you can easily do it. She shed, man cave. My house would probably be a sewing room or something like that, or we'd use one of the extra bedrooms, of course. And then you got your little AC here. You got a nice little linen closet. That is a deep linen closet as well. And one of the things I like, y'all notice here is the utility room. I'll show you what I'm going to point out in a second, but here's bedroom 4. Now, it also has 2 windows, and this is a huge queen-size bed with the 4 posters that we put on there. And another large walk-in closet. Not quite as large as bedroom 2's closet, but it is still huge. So all the bedrooms have good-sized closets. A lot of space. But one of the things that I love is this 3rd bathroom. Now you can design it where it's not like this. You have a door from the bedroom into the bathroom. Some people say I don't need that access from the bedroom to the bathroom. Or a door from here to the utility room. I personally love that little pass-through option, but I've had people close it off one way or the other. But I've even had people get rid of this bathroom and make it an even bigger bedroom. Of course, it still has the bigger tub shower combo, as well as elongated commode, ceramic sinks, and these big drawers in here, all still soft close. Now, in your laundry room, you got room for a freezer. You can put it right there. You could put it on the wall right here. You could put it in a lot of different places. Behind that closet is going to be, well, it's a closet, but it also has an access panel to your water heater. I've had some people don't want the closet here, but they want a door to the water heater, and that's perfectly fine. I've also had some folks that want to add one of those mop sinks, and we can definitely do that as well. Now, there are some supplies blocking it. I'm going to try and get a little closer and show it to you. But you do have a recessed nook there for your washer, for your dryer, so you can push it all the way back and don't have to worry about pinching that exhaust hose. That's something I simply love. And then little shelves there. You can do some cabinets there. I don't think I pointed it out, but you have the huge 5-inch crown molding in this home. It's in every room. Might not be in some of the closets. I haven't really paid attention to that, but it is something that's super nice. Now, if you pull this home up online, you're liable to see a fireplace in here, or an electric fireplace, or just a shiplap accent wall there with a mantle. All of those are options you can do. You can technically add shiplap anywhere. It just gets a little expensive, so I don't know if I would do that. But, you know, it is a Deer Valley home. It is built super quality, super heavy built, so you can easily add what you want. Shiplap, a little extreme in my mind to do the whole home, but hey, you do you. All right, back through here. You can still see that tall ceilings and all that. It's just a really beautiful home. I had a customer the other day, we were walking it, and he goes, man, this house is so big, if I went on vacation, I wouldn't even be able to go anywhere before I even left the house and had to go back to work. It is huge. The biggest double wide you can get, a 32 by 90. It just gives you a lot of space and a lot of options when it comes to your design. Now, I love these beams in the master bedroom. Got that ceiling fan going high. This is a California King, so it kind of gives you a perspective on how big this bedroom is. That wall right there is about 15 feet. You still got space on either side of the nightstands. It does have carpet in here. Of course, you can do no carpet. Now, this is the luxury vinyl tile that you saw in the living room and bathroom and kitchens and stuff, but they also have an LV planking, a luxury vinyl planking. Now, it is limited in where you can't put it in some of the wet areas because it is not water resistant, but there is a kind of a tongue and groove flooring instead of this kind, but it is all super beautiful and much more durable than linoleum. Y'all see how much room is in here? I mean, we got so much extra furniture, siding stored in here, all the way over there. It's just a huge bedroom. Definitely space to put a TV. Now, also, you can have, Deer Valley will run coax cable for you. So if you say, I want a TV on that wall, they'll have a coax cable ready for you. So the satellite company, cable company doesn't have to go through and drill holes in your floor. And as you can see, remember I said the 2x6 sidewalls, it's got 2x8 floor joists. They have 2x4s throughout at 16-inch centers inside. But right here you have two in a row, and not even 8 inches further in you have another one. They are a lot of studs in this house. On top of that, Deer Valley puts a 24-inch OSB beam on both halves of the house across the entire spine of it. So instead of just going over the space in the living room, it runs the entire length of the house, helps give it that stronger, straighter spine. This tub is big. It's almost a 2-person tub how big it is. And I like that the faucet is right there, so if I wanted to sit on that end for one reason, I could easily do it and not have to worry about the faucet hitting me in the head. I also love this ceramic tile that's all the way around the top of it. So if you're gonna splash, and when you do, it's less likely to make it to the sheetrock in the house or soak down in under the tub and cause mold issues. And of course, there's one of those windows I love. What's great about this window is it's not a fixed window, so it opens. So if it gets stinky in here or hot and humid, you can easily open it, let some nice breeze in. And those are those upgraded 2-inch blinds that are cordless. And then we got I think they call this a 9-foot shower. So actually the shower area itself is 8 feet, but with this little step out here, kind of makes it a little bit more 9 feet. I definitely would probably screw a towel holder right there so that I could drip dry right here and not still be in the shower. But this ceramic tile is really nice, and I really love how they do this design through the center of it, give it just that different perspective. And then of course the big fiberglass basin. It's got the bench seating. That's really nice. But also, remember I said this in one of my last videos, I love it when the shower handle is right there. I can turn the water on to this rain shower head and not have to worry about getting wet. But they also have a handheld right there above the bench seating. Now Deer Valley also offers like a pebble stone basin instead of the fiberglass basin. Cost about $1,200 to add it in, but it is an option to do. And then right over here, of course, there's your 2 sinks, 2 huge drawers. Easily put your hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, and all the different lotion bottles, whatever, in there. Still the rolled countertop edge, still the ceramic sinks and metal faucets. Really nice. And then you got a private water closet. And some people don't like that. They're a little claustrophobic. Just know we don't have to do a private water closet. And a huge closet. This closet is full 15 feet long and about 6 feet wide. So you got, I'm trying to do math in my head, you have about 27 feet of shelving to hang stuff on. And you can double hang and do wood shelves if you choose. But it is a large closet. And then some people worry about moisture getting in their closets when they're attached to the bathroom. One of the things I want you to think about is that you have a little vent right there. That's gonna put positive air pressure into your closet. So moisture is not gonna come in here, but you also have the vents and a return in your bathroom that help keep the airflow going so you don't have to worry about moisture just hanging out in the walls. Now this house here, like I said, is built by Deer Valley. Super heavy built, super beautiful. Ton of customization options. So if you want it to be more modern instead of this rustic look, definitely can do that. But if you have questions about Deer Valley or any of the homes that we carry, or just questions about these homes in general, because my name is Manufactured Home Nerd, love talking about them, give me a call, 318-487-1819. If you'd love to design the house, or if you have questions about financing, insurance, any of that, I'm your guy. But you know, if you enjoyed this tour today, I would love it if you would subscribe. Try and do 2 videos every week on Sundays and Wednesdays. Sometimes I get a little extra one. Sometimes I'm a little late. It just depends on the amount of homes I've been able to see that week. But we do try and get more videos every week. And I'd love it if you watch with me. I really hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm so super thankful everybody come and watch the videos. It just truly humbles me every day. Again, thank y'all for watching and happy house hunting. Have a great day.